Yesterday we have learned practice set 1.1, question number first and question number second. First three questions. The fourth question is same as the second and the third. That's why I am going to explain the fifth question. See, you can see here the first equation, 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. I have given here first number. The second equation, which is given, x plus 5y is equal to 4. This one is the second equation. While solving the simultaneous equation, we must equalize the coefficient of x or y. You can see here, coefficient of x is 5 and here coefficient of x is 1. If you multiply by 5 to equations second, you can get 5x. That's why multiply by 5 to equation second. समीकरण 2 ला 5 ने गुणू. जर समीकरण 2 ला आपण 5 ने गुणलं, मल्टिप्लाय केलं, तर आपल्याला इथे 5x मिळतील. पहिल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये सुद्धा 5x, दोन्ही ठिकाणी 5x इक्वल येऊ शकते. म्हणून समीकरण 2 ला 5 ने गुणलं. बघा, when we multiply to second equation by 5, we can get the equation 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. This one is the third equation. You can see which is the third equation. 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Now you can see equation number first and equation number third. In both equations there is 5x. Now we have to see the signs of 5x. Here 5x is plus, here also plus. It means when the signs are equal, we have to make the subtraction of equation 3 and 1. You can see here I have taken the third equation first, then first equation, because in the third equation the coefficients are greater than the first one. So this one is third equation, this one is first equation. While making subtraction, we have to change the signs of the below equations. See here is plus 5x, it is changed into minus. Here the plus is changed into minus, and here you can see the already there is minus sign and it is changed into plus. Here is 5x, here is minus 5x. Both are opposite numbers, they are cancelled. Here is 25y and here is minus 2y. You have to take the changed sign. My plus 25y minus 2y. See, here is plus sign, here is minus sign. When the signs are different, we have to make the subtraction. Therefore, subtraction will be 23y, and sign of the greater number is plus. That's why it is 23y is equal to 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. For getting value of y, we have to divide by 23. So y is equal to 23 upon 23. 23 ones are 23. That's why value of y is 1. Now put this value, y is equal to 1, in equation number 2. See, equation 2, x plus 5y is equal to 4. You can put the value of y in any equation, first, second or third. But you can see this one is very easy equation. That's why I have put the value of y in equation second. See, x we have to find out plus y, 5 value of y is equal to 1 is equal to 4. See, 5 into 1, it will be 5 is equal to 4. Now take this plus 5 to other side, it will become minus. That's why, see, the sign of 4 is plus, sign of 5 is minus. The signs are different. That's why we have to make the subtraction. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and sign of the greater number. That's why we have find out the value of x is equal to minus 1. Solution of the equation, मराठीत आपण त्याला उकल असं म्हणतो. x y, x ची व्हॅल्यू आलेली आहे -1, y ची व्हॅल्यू आली आहे 1. अशा प्रकारे समीकरणाची उकल, solution of the equation will be -1 and 1. Now we can learn the further example.